Students, welcome to the chemistry sessions. Here, very good morning to everybody. Let us today we are discussing this is the new topics of organic compound chemistry, that is the biomolecules. What is the biomolecules? The biomolecule is nothing but what the study of the living organisms. That is, we can say a living organism which contain a large number of different molecules. Constituent which constitute the structures, that the primarily structures which contain the primary structures having this is the materials of organisms, that is the proteins and cellulose. Mainly that is the proteins and cellulose. Here this is the large number, what I can say, this is the definition first for the introduction of the part of this is the biomolecules. What is the introductions? As you can say, a living organism contain a large number of different molecules which constitute structural this is the bioorganism as you can say, this is the structural organism. So that is the materials of the structural organisms. Many parts, as you can say, this is the primary structure, primary structures of materials of organisms are proteins and especially this is what proteins and cellulose. So they are the part of psychological process. As you can say, they are part of psychological process which plays a vital role in biological system, or you can say in living system. So that is what that you can say, they are the part of the psychological process, plays a vital role in a living systems. So here in one of the most part is the photosynthesis. The photosynthesis, this is what we can say, the unique as you can say, the unique process of photosynthesis is unique process. तो यहाँ पे photosynthesis process, what do you mean by photosynthesis? Here the unique process of the photosynthesis is that the plants, trees, the process here is what plants or trees which absorb the sunlight in the presence of water molecules and which produces carbohydrates, which also this is the produces the main ingredients, minerals, fats, lipids, nucleic acids, etc. So these are the parts from we have been studied the study in biomolecules. We will study in what biomolecules. So the process is what photosynthesis. Here is in the study of the part of here, this is the main three aspects of the principles. We will study the main three aspects of the principles of the biomolecules, that is first carbohydrate. Second one is what? The first is carbohydrates, proteins which containing this is the amide types of the linkages, the carbohydrates which contain the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Again what? Nucleic acid, you can say nucleic acids. So these three main aspects of the principles of the biomolecules will study and herein the part of biomolecules. What is the first that is what carbohydrates. What do you mean by carbohydrates? These which contain compounds, or you can say molecules which contain this is the carbon, hydrogens and oxygens. So what is this carbon, hydrogen, oxygens? The first is carbohydrates. The first principles of aspect of the principles of the biomolecules, carbohydrates. So what is the carbohydrates? The study of the carbon, hydrogen, this hydrate means what? Waters, as you can say water molecules here, H2O, hydrate means waters. This carbo means which contain these carbon atoms, which contain water, carbon atom. So this contain, this is the carbon, hydrogen and oxygens. Here as in the water molecules, that is the ratio of the hydrogen and carbon is what? 2:1. So as a study of this is the carbon, hydrogen. So what is the definition? How we explain this is the carbohydrates? Carbohydrates means an optically active, as we can say, an optically active carbohydrates, that is an optically active. So the most is in optically active. So what do you mean optical activity? So the basic thing is that a source of light is passed through Nicol prism. So we are having, this is the Nicol prism, Nicol prisms. We will get, this is the single line, that is the nothing but PPL, plane polarized light. This plane polarized light is passed through the organic solvent. This organic solvent must be chiral, or it may be, this is the symmetric molecule. This is nothing but for example lactic acid or glucose. So it means that this compound contain, this is the chiral atoms of the chiral center. Then we will get two direction of the rays, that is nothing but clockwise direction and anti-clockwise directions. This is get the clockwise direction and this get the anti-clockwise direction. This clockwise direction will get 50% and anti-clockwise direction will be 50%. So these types of the practically a real phenomenon is observed, that is what direction of the rays is obtained. This is the clockwise direction and what anti-clockwise direction. And such types of the compound, this is what this we have been taken these types of the lactic acid or the glucose, that compound containing the chiral center, and it should be shows what this is the clockwise direction and what anti-clockwise direction, and such types of the molecules compound is nothing but what optically active. तो यहाँ पे ये जो केमिकल हम ये सॉल्वेंट ले रहे, कंपाउंड ले रहे, तो वो क्या होना चाहिए? कायरल कंपाउंड होना चाहिए, फॉर एग्जांपल लैक्टिक एसिड और ग्लूकोज. यहाँ पे रेस प्लेन पोलराइज लाइट जब एमर्जिंग होगा, सो दैट इज द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट इज पास थ्रू निकोल प्रिज्म, वी विल गेट दिस इज द प्लेन पोलराइज लाइट. द प्लेन पोलराइज लाइट इज व्हाट एमर्जिंग आउट ऑफ इट. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट व्हाट द प्लेन पोलराइज लाइट इज एमर्जिंग आउट ऑफ इट. द अब्जॉर्प्शन इज टेक्स प्लेस, एंड दिस इज नथिंग बट व्हाट देयर इज अ टू डायरेक्शन ऑफ द रेज इज obtained. दिस इज नथिंग बट क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन एंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. इट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव. सो दैट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ दिस कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट एन ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव पॉलीहाइड्रॉक्सी, and optically active polyhydroxy, aldehyde and ketone, ketones, and optically active polyhydroxy, aldehyde and ketone is carbohydrate. तो इसको कहा जाता है कार्बोहाइड्रेट. So this aldoses, as in the mostly this is the aldoses and ketoses. So here this one of the example aldoses, this is the glucose molecules, this is glucose hexose molecules, and this is the ketoses, this is nothing but one of the example, this is nothing but fructose. So this is what aldoses and ketoses, these are the example of this an optically active polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketone is nothing but what carbohydrates. So carbohydrates is a technically hydrate. It is what carbohydrates are the technically hydrate. So on the basis of for example we can take this is the glucose molecules. So the glucose molecule that is having this CHO, C double bond O, this is the functional group, and which contain this is the CH2H, here is the primary alcohols. So what is that here? This contain this is the hydroxy group, this is the secondary types of the alcohols here. So that is nothing but what optically active. What I can say this is optically active, there is a 4 chiral center. So this is the 4 chiral centers in molecule, that is again what are 2:n, you can say this is the 2:n, it is one of the formula. This is nothing but optically isomer. So the chiral center यहाँ पे कितने हैं? Chiral center यहाँ पे 4 chiral center है in glucose molecules, that is nothing but C6H12O6. So as you can say this is the part of the basic of here, this is the empirical formula. What is the empirical formula of the glucose? This is carbohydrate is that, first upon the carbohydrates. So what is that? CxH2OY. So this is nothing but what? X is different. X is a different than Y. The X is different than Y. So this is what a empirical formula of the carbohydrate. What is that? Empirical formula of the carbohydrate. Structurally it is what? Aldoses and ketoses. Structurally carbohydrates are aldoses and ketoses. So the next characteristic, as you can say, the properties of this is the carbohydrate is nothing but what? It is a sweet in taste. Sweet. As you can say, this is the sweet in taste. So what is the example? As you can say, this is the glucose, this is the glucose and the fructose. Glucose and fructose sugar. So they can say this is nothing but a sugar. So the sugar, this is name of this sugar, it is coming from, this is the saccharine. It is saccharon. You can say this is the saccharon. This is the saccharon, it is meaning of this is nothing but a saccharide. SACC. This is nothing but saccharide. CH. Saccharide. It is meaning of the saccharide is nothing but a sweet. Whenever this is the sugar is present in the milk, as we can say, sugar is present in milk. Sugar is present in milk. So that is nothing but what? Lactose. That is what we can say. This is nothing but a lactose. So these are the properties of these carbohydrates, which is the sweet in taste, soluble water molecules, crystalline in nature. Again, it may be the structurally aldoses and the ketoses. This is nothing but what a sugar. This we can say this is the saccharide. So this is the mainly part of this is the monosaccharide and the polysaccharide. This we will discuss in the part of the classification of these carbohydrates. This is nothing but what a monosaccharide, oligosaccharide and the polysaccharide. There is a simply two classifications. Simple. This is what a simple complex and this is the complex. This is complex molecules. Simple molecule and the complex molecule. Here we will see this is the simple carbohydrates. This is nothing but a monosaccharide. In the monosaccharide we will discuss the part of this is nothing but aldoses and the ketoses. In oligosaccharide there is a disaccharide, trisaccharide, tetrasaccharide and polysaccharides. Again the different part of this is the polysaccharides. So this is nothing but starch, glucose, glycogen, gums. So these are the classifications. So here we have been studied the part of the introduction for first about living organisms which contain the large number of the molecules which constitute the structurally, and the structurally studied this is nothing but what are proteins and the cellulose. So these proteins and the cellulose, but on the next point this is the it plays a main important roles in in living systems. It plays an important role in the living systems, that is the photosynthesis one of the process. It is most studied in the part of the carbohydrates which produces the carbohydrates. The especially this is nothing but plants and the trees as are the it plays the main important roles in what living systems. The plants are absorbs, this we can say this is the trees and the plants are absorb the sunlight in the presence of water molecules and the produces the carbohydrates. So that is the produces carbohydrates, and it may be produces the main ingredients just like to the fats, lipids, nucleic acids, oils. This is nothing but again we can say this is the minerals, oils, vegetable oils. This is again what of fats. These are the studied the part of again what we can say this is the living systems. And herein we will discuss the part of this is the three main aspect in biomolecule. There is a three main aspect in the biomolecule, that is the first is the carbohydrate, second is what proteins, and last one is the nucleic acid. Herein we are having this is the carbohydrate. The carbohydrate is nothing but this is the carbon plus hydrate. It is nothing but technically hydrate. As we can say, this is the empirical formula. This CxH2OY. CxH2OY, it is nothing but X is different from Y. So the definition we can make this is the an optically active. So that is the polyhydroxy. It is nothing but more than two hydroxy group or one hydroxy group is present in the carbohydrates. That's why we can say an optically active polyhydroxy aldehyde and ketone is nothing but carbohydrate. It is structurally aldoses and ketoses. So this aldoses one of the example, this is the glucose molecule, and ketoses is one of the example, the fructose molecule. So this is containing the sugar, and I can say as in the part of the characteristic or properties, this is the sweet in taste, soluble in water and crystalline in nature. Sweet in taste, soluble in water and crystalline in nature. So that is the specific, you can say this is saccharon. The word sugar, it is coming from the saccharon, and saccharon it is nothing but saccharide. This saccharide is in meaning of this is nothing but monos, as we can explain the part of the classification, mono